Hey folks, Joe Image here, and how are you doing today? I've got a pretty special video for you today. A quick review. Wait a second. Sorry, I forgot. But you could sure hear me though, couldn't you? We're going to get into that in just a second. All right, we're back, guys. You can see me now, can't you? That's because I'm using this right now. This is the Fifine M9 wireless lavalier mic set. Comes with two, actually. So I'm using this one right here. You can see here is the second one it comes with. It's got a receiver. I'm gonna unplug this in a second so I can actually show it to you, because right now it's connected to my PC so I can record this for you. I will unplug it in a second, show it to you, and I'll switch over to my other microphone, my regular mic, which also is a Fifine. This thing is awesome. So the reason you obviously heard me before and did not see me is because I was in another room in my house, which is awesome, and I could talk to you from there and you could hear everything fine. Sounded like I was right here in front of the camera. Sounded like I was right in the same room with you. Guys, once again, Fifine M9s. Amazon link will be below. I'm going to unplug this right now. Just give me a second. Well, for you, it'll be a second. For me, it'll be a couple minutes. I'm going to get this unplugged and all put together so I can show you everything piece by piece. We'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm on my other Fifine mic right now. So, guys, the M9s right here, the Fifine M9s. There we go. Awesome. Spoiler alert. These things are awesome. All right. Comes in a little carrying case, which I dig because I will probably be using these a lot for my wrestling shows. Comes with a case. So it comes in a charging case, which you can see right here, right? So you pop it open. There's the two mics. There's the receiver right there. The case itself charges, so you plug this in, USB-C right there in the back. I know it's hard to see, it's black on black, but there we go, USB-C. Plug this in, you can charge the case by itself with nothing in it, just the case, which will then act as a battery. So you will be charging the two mics and the receiver. So here you go, right now you can see the lights are on, right? The case is charging, nothing in it. So the case will charge the microphones and the receiver clearly. Nice stylish looking black case, by the way. Pretty cool. I like it. I dig it. I dig it. It fits the decor in my computer room here. All right. I'm not going to go super in depth on every single piece that this comes with, because it comes with a bunch of cables for a bunch of different use cases. As I said earlier, this was connected to my PC, and for that we've got a little bag of cables right here, audio cables. So for my PC, I've got plugged in from the receiver to this little guy right here, which is the 3.5 millimeter jack on the microphone receiver to USB-C. So this I plug right into my computer, picks it up instantly, and by the way, instant pairing between the mics and the receiver. No problem at all. 2 seconds and we're good to go. All right, and here we go. 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. Comes with two of these, as well as here's a USB-C to USB-A for charging. So USB-C goes into the case for charging right down here. Again, it's hard to see. It's black on black. I have my light on. And plug it in USB-A to charge. I've been using USB-C. I've got the M-Fish USB-C cable. So I use that to charge. It's super fast charging. Comes with two dead cats, as some of you call the furry windscreen. I've always known it as a dead cat. So I will put photos of all this stuff at the end of this video. I'm trying to make this short. I will do a longer, extensive video in a couple of weeks once I've used this for another few weeks. But I am trying to keep this one a little bit short. Down below, I will link the product page from Amazon. I will link the product page from Fifine's website as well. And y'all can go on there and check out everything, super specific details, to see what you think. But for now, I'm going to put this all back together, and I'll be right back. All right, we are back, and guys, I really like these a lot. I shouldn't say that. I haven't done it in a while, but I used to do a lot of driving videos, some road ragey stuff. Some of my turnbuckle tail stuff, I would tell stories as I'm driving, which I will get back to doing that very, very soon. But these mics are going to be great for that because, again, wireless. I just plug the receiver in, I pop in the USB-C to my iPhone, and I got the receiver right here, or the microphone right here. So I'm good to go. I can do that while I'm driving. That's what I'm looking forward to most about this, is just doing a lot of that driving stuff. I'm getting back to that because I haven't had a wireless microphone before for that. I've been just using the microphone on the camera on the iPhone, which is not terrible, but you know, this is obviously a much better quality mic, right? At least to me it sounds like, and my ears are damaged from chairs and stuff. But guys, once again, the Fifine M9 wireless lav mics, here you go. And as I said earlier, down below I will link the product page from Amazon, the product page from Fifine, and you can dig in there really in depth and see what you think. I'm going to do another video about this coming up in the next few weeks. You can, I don't know, stay tuned for that. Watch out for that. Thanks to Fifine for sponsoring the video. And I will talk to y'all soon. Please follow me on all socials at Real Joey Image. And I don't know, man. What else do you want from me, bro? That's it, right?